Okay. See, as I told you, right? You write Java code first, then you compile it. Why you compile? Because machine cannot understand English, high level language. Machine only can understand machine code, right? That's why you need to compile your code into class file, right?
What
Java
was
bytecode.
one?
And this Java bytecode
Yeah.
does not depend on machine. This Java code is just intermediate code. It is highly optimized form of instructions, right? Then you see we have JVM1, JVM2, JVM3. You know JRE, right? JRE, JVM means JRE because JVM is created at runtime, okay, by JRE. So you can install JRE at your computer, right? And JRE you can install
Yeah.
independently, and JRE you can install as a part of JDK also. But JDK is a big thing, right? JRE is the small thing. JDK contains everything, whatever you need for software development. JDK contains, right, those things. I hope you understand JDK. JDK is the big thing, right?
Yeah.
Nice. So,
Yeah.
right. So you can install JDK and you can install JRE also.
Uh,
So what JRE means JVM, right? What JVM is doing, it is eating Java bytecode, right? Same class file, and then converting into machine code and execute it. Nice. So for all the platform, we have different JDK, different JRE, different JVM, right? Windows has its own JRE, Mac has its own JRE, Linux has its own JRE, right? JVM. So what all JRE are doing, they are taking common Java bytecode and converting into machine code and executing it, right? So Java is platform independent. Platform independent means Java program you can run on any computer, not a problem
every
at all.
machine.
Hello,
Yeah.
you guys are getting any background noise?
Yes, we are getting.
Yeah. Little bit of.
Okay, just a second.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
It's solved now, I guess.
Yeah, just a second. Actually, motor is running. I just stopped it. Just a second. Hey, what about now, guys? Now it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. In office, actually, motor was running. Water motor. That's fine now. Cool. So this is crystal clear to you, right? Why Java is platform independent? If somebody would say, your answer should be it is platform independent because of what? Java bytecode. Clear? Java bytecode makes Java platform independent. What about JVM, JRE, JDK? They are platform independent or platform dependent? Answer it, please.
Dependent.
Avinash.
It's a platform dependent.
Platform dependent. Is clear to you really? You, if somebody would ask why it is platform dependent, you'd be able to answer it.
No, it's platform independent.
No, no, no. I'm talking about JDK, JVM, JRE. I'm not talking about Java bytecode. Sir, do one thing. See, when you come to the session, try to be very interactive. You just answer questions. You don't care about your question. Answer is wrong, right? You don't care about it, right? That's my part. Avinash, you tell me it is
JVM,
platform
JRE, and
independent?
JDK.
Hmm?
They are platform dependent.
Platform dependent, right? Not independent because see, JRE for Windows knows how to eat Java bytecode and convert underlying machine code because every machine code has different encoding, right? Different machine code. Windows has its own format, Mac has its own format, Linux has its own format, right? There's
Yes.
another operating system. Have you heard about mainframe?
Yeah.
Mainframe is another very popular operating system, and this mainframe is from IBM, right? I have idea about mainframe also. This these machines are very powerful, right? And it has very high level of security, right? Mainframe machines. Let me put also this in the diagram. Cling, cling. Done. I am done with, another thing is, before doing anything new, I just wanted to know, do you know basic thing, data type, variable, you know,
Yeah.
keywords?
Yes.
So
Yes.
no need to cover that, right? Other
No
people
need.
Yeah.
also, right? Some people know, some people might not know. So I need to know. If you don't know, I can teach you. If you know, it's fine. No need to spend time.
It's fine for me. What are the other things of that?
Pardon? What do you say?
I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that.
Okay.
I don't know what others think on that one.
Yeah. So that's what I'm
They
telling you.
want to
Other
know or
people,
they don't want to know.
if you do not say anything, means you know it, right? If you don't know, you can say again, I don't know, data types. I don't know variable. I don't know keywords, if else conditions, those programming construct. Please let me know. Otherwise, I can directly start with oops concepts, right? I can do that. JBM4, and here I can write machine code. Okay, I think everybody is good. See, we have to make this session very interactive. We should talk a lot, right? That's why you guys are here. Otherwise, you can watch Udemy tutorial and all. Everything is there, right? We need to make difference, man. You have to learn, how people work in the industry. That's why you are taking training from me. That's the reason. Okay, got it. So you should ask questions. Why this? Why this? Right? Just make me uncomfortable by asking questions. I want it. Hmm? Cool. Okay. So let's start with the problem with the procedural programming language. Which programming language? Procedural. You know C? Have you heard about
Yeah.
C? Yeah. C is an example of procedural programming language. So what is the limitation of C? See, in C, you always write function, 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 function. Yes, you
Yeah.
always write function, function, function. So let me tell you, you write function like wide, dance. That's fine. That is one function. Okay. Similarly, you can write other function also in C. Dance. You can write fly, right? So if somebody will call dance, he would start to dance. Fly, he can fly. Similarly, you can write other, walk, right? Function, function, function,
Yeah.
function. Work. Fine. So see, in C, limitation is you write a lot of functions and it's not easy to remember, man, right? Maybe many thousand
Yeah.
functions. How you can remember? So this is one problem, because if you develop very complex code, it would be difficult to manage it. And so see, what I'm doing is I'm designing dog. What? I'm designing dog. So you see, I'm doing programming for dog and I have function, 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 function. So what mistake I can do, right? I'm programmer, right? And designing the dog. So when you design the dog, you can decide designing the dog. So you can decide when you create a dog, right? What how it will behave. So you can say in your programming, your dog can walk. That's fine. It's okay, right? You can say your dog can dance. What do you say? Yeah, that's fine. Oh, by
Wow.
mistake, you call the fly, right? Or your dog can bark also. So, anybody can do it, right? You can call fly also. So what happened? The moment when you call fly you call by mistake, not knowingly. So what happened? When you call this fly for dog, what happened? Your dog started to fly. Hmm?
Bad design.
Hmm.
So this is something wrong in the design, right? You say, oh my God, what happened? How dog can fly? People will kill you, right? This is because of your programming mistake. And mistake you do knowingly, or mistake normally done by mistake. Any guess? I'm
Not
talking
on
about,
mistakenly.
yeah, I'm talking about not naughty situation. I'm talking about ideal situation. In ideal situation, mistake is done by mistake. Mistake is
Mistake.
mistake. We are human being. We are not God. So of course we can do mistake,
Yeah,
right? And God also sometime,
yeah,
God also do mistake
Hmm.
sometime. You know it, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
They created us.
Yeah. No, that is one of the good thing, right? But there are bad people also, right? That boom and all you might have
Yeah,
seen in the history.
yeah,
Okay. So, oh, why? Because you don't have any boundary, man. Anybody can call any function, right? You don't have any limitation. You cannot say, "Hey, dog, you cannot call fly. How dare you?" You cannot say, but because anybody can do anything, right? There is no boundary of it. This is the limitation with procedural programming. First thing
it,
is no boundaries there. If code base is very big, it's very difficult to manage. It's very difficult to extend. It's very difficult to scale, make it scalable, and there could be a flaw, right? All these things you can overcome with the help of object oriented principle, that is called OOPS. So that's why OOPS concepts came, that we are going to discuss today. Concept. Hmm? So what is the benefit of it? OOPS concepts has certain pillars. We need to know what pillars are. Encapsulation. Hmm? Yeah.
abstraction.
Abstraction. Hmm. We are going to understand this practically, right? Not theoretically.
Yeah,
Inheritance. Polymorphism.
polymorphism.
Yeah. Polymorphism. This is the fundamental. And aggregation, composition. Composition, aggregation. Make sense? Yep. Done. Okay. So I'll explain you one by one, right? Not right now. We'll learn by doing practical, by doing concept. I'm not going to tell you theoretically, okay, what encapsulation. Got it? You have to feel it. Nice. So next thing, we need to understand what is the class, what is the object, right? Because in order to understand object orientation, you should know class and object first. So let me check if I have something ready made that can save my time. Core Java. Just a second. Yes, I got it. Actually, normally in every class, I create normally new diagrams. It's okay. What is the object? See, object is a real entity which you can uniquely identify as per its attribute and behavior. Definition of object is clear. Anything in the world, right? If we talk about its attribute and behavior, and you came to know, right? If I say there is an object, right, which mew, right? Then you can say, oh my God, you're talking about cat, right? Yes, you know.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
So object is anything which you can uniquely identify in the world. How? Object has only two things: attribute and behavior. You know attributes. If you talk about human being, right? All the humans are object. That's correct. All the humans
yeah.
are object. But how you can identify? If I say what is the attribute of man, so you can easily tell what.
By its
Name,
structure.
age,
Yeah,
sex, color, gender.
yeah. Of course, these are the attribute. Behavior: man can cry, man can dance, man can walk, right? Man can run, man can sleep, right? These are the
Yeah.
behavior of it, of the human, right? Man. That's correct. Clear? Hmm. So object contains only two things, attribute and behavior. Then, yep. The object definition is clear to you? Yeah.
Yep.
See, if I say, can you give me three example of object? You should laugh at me. You would say, again, what small thing you're asking? Everything is object, man. Mouse, monitor, keyboard, laptop. Am I right? Headphone, mobile, watch. Yes, you know? Everything,
Right.
everything. So object is clear to you?
Yes.
Yep.
Clear.
An idea is an object. What? You know idea? Yeah. You know physics?
Yeah.
In physics, we have certain laws, right? Newton first law, Newton second law. Those are also an object. Object can be tangible, it can be intangible. It could be anything. Nice. Yeah. So object definition
Yeah.
is clear to everybody? No confusion at all?
No.
Yeah, and another thing, in one object communicate with other object. This sentence is correct. I can say one object can communicate with other object. Of course, man, I'm communicating with you, right? You are an object, I am an object, right? We are communicating to each other by using third
Yeah.
object, that is called internet. Internet is also an object. Yes, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. In anything, if I take its name and you'll come to know that is an object. Got it?
Yep.
Yeah. What is the class?
Yeah.
Class is nothing, man. Class is simple. Class describe objects. If you want to know about an object, where you'll go and check it? In class. You can say, hey
Class.
class, I want to know about this object. Simple. So who gives you the information about the object? Class,
Class.
right? So class, I can tell you theoretically, class is a template for the object. Can you see this? Point number one. Class is a blueprint for the object. Class contains description about, see, whatever I'm writing it, man, this is my own definitions. So you'll not get anywhere on the internet. Clear? So you tell me, on the internet, whoever give the definition, they are God or they are normal human being?
Normal
Normal.
ones.
They are normal human beings. So why we should follow them, man? They should follow us. Yes, you know? Basically, we should learn things just by doing the practical, right? Simple. You know what I'm saying? If you want to give
Self-learning. Yeah.
if you want to give information about the car to somebody else, so better to go and drive the car for a couple of years, right? You drive it and you develop it. After that, you give the idea about the car. Yes, you know what car is, what car does, right? How it is designed, how it works. You tell me. You can write a book. Got it? So you have two
Yeah.
approach of writing a book or giving concept to the world. Either you can go and refer some other book, other take the idea of other people and do it, or you can develop your own idea. Which one is better?
Develop
Your
your
own
own
idea.
idea.
Your idea. But you say again, for that you need to do a lot of hard work, man. It's not easy, man. You have to work for a long time. Same thing is true for me. Honestly, I'm telling you, I started to learn Java in 2002. You may be a small kid, right? I don't know. 18 years, 19 years back. You got my point? That time JDK 1.2 was there in the market. And Java came officially in the market in 1996. Right? No need to know about history, okay? Clear? Done.
Yeah.
So class definition is clear. You can say, yeah, class is normal thing, man. If you want to know about the description about an object, if you want to know what object is all about, you can talk to class. That's it. Oh, in programming, with the help of class, you can make an object. Right? So in real life, who make the object, right? Normally the object is in real life, object is created by human and we are also object, right? And created by God. Yes, you know? I
Yeah.
don't know. You believe in science or what, right? Normally I'm talking about what people say, right? We are designed by whom? God. Clear? So we are object and we also design the object. That's correct. That's correct. Anybody have any question queries so far regarding class and object? It's clear.
It's clear.
Okay. Cool. Let's work on the practical part of it. I'm going to show you how to design, how to design objects, right? I'm just going to tell you one story. What story? What story is? See, you think I'm running a workshop. What? I'm running workshop, right? So in my workshop, what I does, I design dog. One day, one customer came to me and he said, "Hey, Nagin, I came to know with somebody. You design dog?" I said, "Yes." I said, well, "What you want to do?" He said, "I want you should design dog for me." Yes. So what I would say? I would say, "Give me the requirement, right?" So he said, "You can make a dog for me, and my dog should have following things." So you can make a class. Can you see this, guys? Class. You have to make a blueprint for him as per his requirement. So I'm going to design the dog. Please help me to do this. Class, and my class name is dog. Got it? Curly bracket open and close. In this class is a keyword. You know keyword? Keywords are those words which meaning are predefined by the compiler. Understood? In we also in every language has a keyword. Yes, you know.
Yes.
If you talk about English, in English we have a keyword kill, right? If I say I'll kill you, hmm? Kill is a keyword, right?
Yeah.
Nobody can say kill means I
Yeah.
love you. You got a point? So similarly, class is a keyword which meaning is predefined through the compiler. For whom? Compiler. Compiler knows, right? You want to make a class name and curly bracket open and close. Curly bracket open and close is always known as definition. What is that? Curly bracket open and close is always known as
Definition.
definition. So the curly bracket open and close, this contains definition of the class. And as per the Java guidelines recommendation, class should always start with capital letter. This is just
Capital.
recommendation. It's not a rule. Sorry, this is just a rule, not not mandatory, right? Can you make my class in small
Convention.
letter? Yeah, you can do it.
Yes.
Yeah,
There are
but
two
it's
things.
practice.
One is called recommendation. Recommendation means it is up to you. You follow it or not, right? It is just recommendation. It's not mandatory. Clear? Yeah. So
Yep.
he said, "Can you design dog for me?" I said yes. Then I said, "Tell me what kind of attribute your dog should have." He said, "My dog should have color, and color of my dog should be blue." That's fine. Then he said, "My dog price should be 100 rupees." Fine. And they said, "My dog should have tail, right? Two tail." That's fine. Dog normally has
10.
one tail, right? But we
Yes.
are God, man. So we can do anything,
Okay,
right?
sir.
I want to
Yeah.
make a dog with two tail. That's fine. It's my design, right? We are God. After that, he said you can define behavior. Here, when you define a method, you know method, guys. See, method is a
Yep.
basically a name given to the code, right? If you want to perform some logic again and again, again and again, you can write a method, right? For one task, you can define one normal method. Clear? Or shall I tell you about the method mode? Or you know it? You have idea about method? Method is just a small code snippet, right? And it does
Yeah.
particular call, and you can call a method again and again, again and again, again and again. Why you make a method?
Yeah.
You want to write some
To
reusable code, right? You can write once and use again and again, again and again. In the real life, always you say, "Nagendra, I have something for you, man." You call it and enjoy. If you want to do something, call this method. You use my technique, right? Done. Clear? So why we write a method?
yeah.
Your answer should be, "Nagendra, I don't want to write same code again and again. Don't want to repeat the thing again and again, right? So better to write a common method and call it again and again. Make sense? So when you write a method, you write
Yep.
always return type and method name. Method name is walk. So my dog can walk, right? Okay, guys, what I'm saying is, again, I want to tell you, you can enjoy with my session when you ask questions, right? Whatever confusion is there, please talk to me. But again, just earlier I was thinking like this, right? Could you please elaborate it in more, please? Like that. Hmm? So
Mm.
here, system.out.println. Hmm? System.out.println means this is kind of statement to print a message on the console. We'll talk more about it. What system is, what is the out, and what is the println is a method. And here you see, say, "Hey, dog can walk." Nice, right? Dog can walk, right? Here, if I write public, doesn't matter for you, right? Unless and until I teach you, right? So you can write public or you can omit it. It is up to you, man. Okay. So my dog has only two behavior. One is walk and second one is printer. When you call the printer, it is going to print all the attribute of the dog, right? All the values of the call dog. What man? Color. Can you write like this? This is the message plus. I want to do this. Confused or got it? Color equals to
Got it.
the value. Yeah. Tick, tick, tick.
Price.
Please, please, if you have any question query, most welcome. Price, price, and of course tell. Nice, 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 right? This is the, I'll write the same thing in the editor as well. Nice, my class design is done. This design I have done as per my customer requirement. That's correct. My customer wants
Yep.
that, right? Now my customer would be happy, right? His design is ready. Then my next question is, hey Mr. Customer, how many dog you want, right? Because your design is ready. He said, Nagendra, I need right now two dog only, right? So this is designing the class, right? Now what you need to do, you have to make a object of it. Design the dog. Template. I be using this template, I can make object for him. Real dog, right? Let's do that. Try. So in Java, if you want to instantiate a class, you want to make a dog as per this template, you can use new operator. New dog. Are you following me? New dog, class name, and curly parentheses open and close. This syntax.
Yeah.
So if you do it, one dog will come in front of you. Clang, clang, its memory is created, right? But problem with, dog is here, right? Tell me, when you design dog, you should also hold the address of it, right? Otherwise, what is the use of it? Let me give you the example. I said, hey Abhinas, I just bought a bike for you. That's it. What you'll think? You'll say, oh, hey, don't make me fool. Where my bike is? Where is the key of it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this statement is not enough, man. You are making object in the memory, right? But you need to hold the address of it so that you can operate it. You think in the real life, when you bought a car or when you bought a bike, when you bought it, right? You park it, right? So you know where it is. Yes, you
Yeah.
know.
Yeah.
You can say again, I bought a car. Go outside and see how it is. You cannot say I have many cars, right? I don't know where my cars are. So here, see, when you make the object, you need to make you need to hold the address of it, right? So in order to hold the address, you have to make a reference variable. Can you see this? GG.
Yeah.
What I did? Dog GG. So I would say GG is the reference variable of dog type. See how you can remember it. GG is reference variable of dog
Dog type.
type.
Dog.
Means
Type.
it can hold address of dog object, right? Or dog type of object. You can say dog type of instance object, right? It can hold address. Instead of address, normally we say reference. It's clear? GG is a reference variable of dog type, means it can hold address reference of dog type of object. So this statement is not, this is creating an object, but it is not complete. So whenever you want to make an object, normally how you can do it? You can do like this, right? Dog, DD, new dog. That's correct. This is the complete thing. You need to understand what is the meaning of right side and left side. Right side means you are making an object of it. When you make the object using new operator, right? New dog, parenthesis open and close, semicolon. It will return the address of the dog, reference of the dog, which you are holding in left side, DD, right? You can make it in two step also. How? Dog T and T equals to new dog. It's also right? Yep. This is one step process and this is two-step process. Which one is better? Answer is
One step.
you are programmer, right? You can say again, don't make me bored, right? For me, both is fine. Yes, you know?
Yeah.
Second, if a programmer, if I say which language you like, your answer should be, you tell me which language you like. I don't know. I like Python, Java. I don't know. I'm programmer, man. Understood? Only I can say I have good experience in Java, but I like both, right? I don't care about it. If I have to do coding in Python, I can do in Python. If I need to do coding in Java, I can do in Java because I love programming. Clear? In the interviews and all, if somebody asks, which sorry, what is your favorite course, right? Or what is your favorite subject? Your answer should be, I love programming. It's clear?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
anybody have any question query, creating object and all? So once object is created, you can call the behavior, right? You can call the attribute, you can call the behavior with the help of object. Yes, you know? Of course, man. If you want to start the bike, you will go to car or you will go to bike? Any guess?
Bike.
Bike, right? If somebody is saying, my bike is not starting and you are starting car. So you understand what I'm trying to say, right? Small thing. Um, Let me make an object of dog, TTT, right? New dog. Dog is created, right? So after that, you can access the attribute of it and you can access the behavior of it. How you can call the method? You can use the left side reference variable tt dot walk. When you
Walk.
call the walk, this dog, right? This dog on which you are calling walk, it is going to walk now. Second, you can call printer. When you call printer, and a method we are calling reference dot is the operator. Printer will do what? It will print color, price, tail of calling dog, right? Can I print the value of tail? You can do it. How? Like if you want to access the value of tail, you can do tt dot tau, right? It will return an integer value. You can hold it in the left side. Yes or no? Yeah. TP.
Yeah.
Hmm? Now you can print it. How? System dot dot println, right? And here you can write TP. Make sense or you got confused? Anybody have any question queries so far? I can type the same thing in the editor. See guys, if you're getting bored, let me know.
No, we are not.
And just be honest with me because you guys are my friend, okay? Just treat me a very close friend, right? If you have anything, please let me know. Because I want when you come to the session, you should feel very energetic and very happy. I don't want after attending my session, oh my God, I got headache. I cannot work for a whole day now. You got it?
We can't get bored. Yeah.
Yeah,
We
that's
can't
what I'm
get bored.
saying.
After all, we are a programmer too.
That's fine. Yeah, that's great. What I can do is I'm going to make a program for you quickly. See, this is Eclipse editor. So again, if somebody would say which editor you like, your answer should be again, which editor you have, you tell me. If you have Eclipse, I can work with Eclipse. If you have IntelliJ, I can work with the IntelliJ. I know both, right? Editor doesn't matter. If I don't know, I can learn it. Got it?
Got it.
Yeah.
You should talk like this.
Okay.
So first of all, we have to make a project, right? In the Eclipse. Here we have many projects. Can you see this? Boring, right? You see? So for you guys, I'm just making new project. How? Right click on this. You know it, right? New. You can go to, there is many projects, right? You forget about others. You just focus on other, and here you can type Java project. Clear? Yep. What about others? We should not bother about for now. And which version of the JDK we are going to use? Already we talked about either Java 8 or you can use Java
Yes.
11. So don't install Java 12, 13, 14, 15, please. We don't need it. Project is Cubic.
Internal.
Yeah, internal training. Internal training. So and you can click on next. Don't click on the finish. Please remember it. If you are taking training with me, always do next. If next doesn't come, then you can click on the finish. Make this practice. And when you have option for yes or no, don't read it. Don't read all these things. Just say yes, right? Always.
Yeah.
Even though it's saying, can I format your computer? Say yes. Format it. I don't care. After oh my God, what happened? My computer is get formatted. That's fine. Nice. Where is my project? This is my project is created and you see SRC. This is the folder where you are supposed to write your class file. Allow me. New.
Class.
In one project, you
Class.
can make many classes. This is normal concept, Python, .NET, whatever programming languages. And in this, I need to choose a class. Option is not coming. That's why I'm going to the other. Here you can choose a class. Then you can give the class name here. Package is not important unless and until I teach you. For you, package is nothing. It's just default. Name, class name, right? Dog. See, finish, right? And you can write the same thing. Public doesn't matter, right? For you, you can delete it. So here we have dog name, color, right? Color is blue. I'm just typing it what was in pin diagram is semicolon. Integer tell will move fast. To tell integer price was 100, right? Then you can the method I told you public you can write. I'm habitual of doing it. Okay, methods are always public. Is out. He dog can walk. Then next method, dog can, I don't know. We have only two methods, right? Printer. So what I need to print it, man? Sysout. You know sysout? Sysout is the shortcut. You do sysout and control space bar.
Yeah.
Automatically it will be completed. And you can make your shortcut also, right? If you want to write Avinash and press control space bar, system.out println should come. You can do it. Not a big deal. Color equals to color. Right? You see, you can do coding like this. Tick, tick, tick. No? Done. Tal, copy paste, price. Done. My class design is done. This is the same program which I designed in this pen. Now you need a main method. What is the main method? Main method is the starting point of the program. Main method is start program execution. Every project should have how many main method? Only one main method. Understood? A main method you have two choice. Either you can write in the same class or you can write in different class. Tell me what you want. In different class or you want to write main in the same class? It is up to you. Let's do it
Same
for
class.
today. Same class. But good to have main always in different class. Good, right? Because in your project you may have many classes, right? So in which class you should write main method? Always in independent class. Make a new class, okay? So here I'm writing main and I'm pressing control space bar. Can you see this? Then this code completion
Yeah.
is it comes. You can press enter. Now you can make an object of dog. How? Dog tt new dog. Then you can call the method on it tt dot walk. You see walk, na? And tt dot printer.
Uh,
Not price. You are calling method. Na? If you want to print the, if you want to fetch the attribute, let me run it. So what happened when you run it? First of all, this method will call and it would say, hey, dog can walk. After that, this method is called. Then it's saying color is color, tell. It will print all the value of it, right? In between, if you want to give the separator, you can give it separator, right? Why? I just want to make the difference between this call, which says, hey, dog can walk. And this is just printing the, color, tail and price. Save it and run it. How to run the program? You know it. Right click, run as Java application. Very
Java
right click.
application.
Normally people click here and there. Don't do that. Right click on this, run as Java application. So hey is fine. This method is called. It's saying hey dog can walk. Then this is the separator. Then it's calling this method, and this method is just printing color equals to color, tail, tail, blah blah blah. Clear? So after down the line, can we change the attribute of the dog? After that, I want to make my dog color red. I can do it, right? Sorry, tt dot color. Make sense? Then you can do tt dot price, right? I want to make it 1,000. After making this, again, I'm calling this. You know what output will come, guys? Eh, so far, dog color was red and price was 100. But after printing the calling this method, you are again modifying the attribute of the dog, right? Let me write it. This out. What I'm doing? Modifying the attributes of the dog. It's clear to you? Yeah. After that, I'm calling printer. So you know the output? Printer is calling this method. Color is changed. It's now red. Tail is the same 2 and price becomes 100. The output is, you know it. Let me run it. So initially it will print. You see the output. Blue 2 and 100. That's correct, right? After that, you modify blue with red, 100 with 1,000 by 1,000, and tail is
And
same.
call the day. Yeah.
So did you tell me? Oh my God, my program is matching,
Dog
right?
start back.
Dog started to bark. Magic. Okay, that's great. So you just be honest. This program is clear to you?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So let me tell you what is the flaw in this design. Flaw, right? Let me put it. See, my customer came to me and he said, hey, can you design dog for me? As per his instructions, I designed the template, right? Now, same customer, his requirement is changed. What he wants? He said, Nagendra, I need 5 more pieces of the dog, right? But every dog should have different color and different price. Oh my God, can you do that? No, you cannot do it because this template, when you create the object, right? Are you following me? Then your question may be,
Yeah.
again, after creating object, I can change the attribute. That is not right solution. Like here right now, I'm after creating an object, I'm able to change the attribute of it or not, right?
Yes.
So this is bad design. You are not supposed to change the attribute of the, you are not supposed to change the attribute of the object once it is created, right? That's bad. Are you following me? I'm able to do it, right?
Yep.
You
Yeah.
tell me,
Yeah.
God designed us, right? Can we change our color?
No.
No. Otherwise, people,
It's possible.
suppose I am black, okay? I
Mm.
can make myself, after 1 year, I can
Complete
change my
surgery.
color daily, man.
Yeah.
Sometime red, sometime black,
Yeah.
blue. Oh my God, God knows about it, right? People will look. Yeah, that's why they make they make our color constant, right? Nobody can change it. Clear? Same thing is true for eyes, right? Hands, everything. That's true. So the only I would say, as per the design, you are not. You should design your attribute in such a fashion so that nobody can change it, right? So if you are thinking after making the object, you can change the attribute. No, that will not work, right? So you know what is limitation with this design? If I make the dog 2 dog, right, with the same design, what is the limitation? Every dog will have same color, same tail, same price. Say yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
This is the limitation, right?
Right.
Got it. My requirement is
Yep.
when I make the dog, I should have an option to make color. You tell me about the car and all. When you go and book your car, you always finalize the color and everything. Yes, accordingly they put the order, right, for you.
Right.
Yeah.
So at the time of designing the dog, means at the time of creating the dog, I should have an options to modify the attribute at the time of its creation, right? uh, Your question may be, Nagendra, I can make the different template, right? One template for blue, one template for other color. Man, this is not possible. Suppose I need thousand of dog. So tell me, for all the thousand of dog, do you think you'll create a thousand of template?
No.
No.
No, it's not possible, right? So there is a flaw in this design, and this design we can improve it. How? By introducing the concept of constructor.
Better inserted.
How you can improve the design? By improving the concept of introducing the concept of constructor. We can
Oh, ऐसा
ask
बताइए सर.
ask dog to not bark. Session is going on. We can improve the design of this. We can improve the design of this class by using constructor. So this topic I will teach you in next session. Right?
Okay.
Hello. See, you do not worry. Give me 10 classes, right? I'm very famous to teach very fast, right? I don't know. You'll come to know. I'll come to the speed soon. Clear?
Okay. Sure.
Done. So guys, just be honest. If you have anything to share with me, right? Kind of feedback, anything if you have, feel free to share with me. Okay, if you have, please. If everything is going good, it's okay.
Sure, sure.